To turn on accessibility button on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to easily access accessibility menu, first you have to add the desired accessibility menu or feature to the list so that your phone will display the accessibility button. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap advanced setting. Under accessibility shortcut section, tap accessibility button, tap select action, and then select the desired accessibility menu or feature you like your phone to display when you tap the accessibility button. As the example, we will select accessibility, magnifier, color collection, and extra dim. You will see that your phone is now displaying the accessibility button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next time, you can tap the button to easily access accessibility menu or turn on or off the accessibility feature that you have selected before. As the example, now you can easily set your camera as a magnifier by tapping the accessibility button and then select magnifier. Given to the function, you can use this step to add your favorite or frequently used accessibility menu or feature so you can easily and quickly access them whenever you need. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.